Welcome to my channel, and here we are going to be working on this problem. And what we are to do is to draw the isometric view of this object. These views are given in third angle projection. Here we have this to be the front elevation. This is the top view or the plan, and this is the right end elevation. Okay, so we are going to put this part together to produce its isometric view, make use of this AutoCAD. Let's talk about the dimensions that we have on this object. Total length from here to here is 60 millimeters. From this point to the end here is 35 millimeters. And then we have that from this point to the center of this circle, we have the distance to be 25 millimeters. And then the diameter of this arc is 20 millimeters, and the thickness from here to here is 15 millimeters. And then from this plan, distance from here to this point here is 30. Now coming to the end elevation, so the length from here to here is 40, from here to here is 10, and that also applies to this. Okay, so the thickness of this is 10, from here to this point is 35 millimeters. So we are going to make use of all these dimensions to produce the isometric view of this object. So let's start by producing this shape in the plan. So what we are to do first is to, we are going to switch to, so we take isoplane left, okay? Then we click on line. All right, so and then we are going to draw a line in this direction at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal, and we enter the length of 60. Okay, so we go up by 15. Okay, then coming forward by 60 again. Then so we join this together. So, and then, so we go in this direction, but we have to switch to isoplane right. So it goes in this direction, and that distance is 40. Okay, so then we pop up here by 15. Okay, and then we join this together. So we close it. All right, so, and then we are going to also, so right click, and then we repeat the line. Then we switch to isoplane top here. Okay, so where we have this line, we draw a line from here going this direction, that is 40. Then we close it with this, so which is 60 in length. Okay, so we have this, so I click, and then so we have the distance from here to here is 10, from here to here is 10, while from here to here is 35. So I'm going to, so 35 from 60, so that was 25. So we are going to repeat the line. So from this point, so we take 10. Okay, so we take 10. Okay, so then we go in this direction. Go in this direction by 25. So 25. Then we come to this side. So we come to this side, so we drop it at this point, and that is a distance of 30. So that is 30. So here we have what we have 30 here. So enter. All right, so what we are going to do next is that we are going to repeat the line, and then we are going to switch to isoplane left, in which we are going to draw a vertical line from here to here. So that is 15. Okay. Then we also should switch to isoplane right. So we click on line, and then we take a line from here down. That is 15. All right. So then the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to switch to isoplane top. Okay. So we take on line, and then from this point, we join it together with this point. And again, we repeat the line. So we join this point together with this point here. All right, so then we are going to trim some lines off. So to click on trim, or to just type trim. Okay, so press enter key. So then we remove this. So remove this line, this line, this line, this line, remove it, remove this one, then remove this, and then remove this. All right, so and then so we are going to click on line again. So this point and this point, we join them together. Okay. What do I have? Okay, okay, I have to repeat the line. So this point, I think I deleted the line or I trimmed the line. So and then so this line, so we are going to remove them. Okay, so actually I don't have to remove this line. Okay, so I'll just remove this one, and then there is line that I used here. So I will erase there. All right, so this one, I'm going to lengthen it. I'm going to take it downward here by what? So that's by 35. All right, so I have the line there, so I will select it. Okay, so because I want to make use of it to create this part that we have here. So as you can see on the screen, so we have made the shape that we have here in the plan, okay? All right, so we now need to build these two parts that we have here. So that's the next thing that we are going to do. And looking at what we have here, the total height to this point is 35. Okay, so we have already taken 15. Okay, so then we have what? We have the balance to be 20. So we are going to build a square on this surface, on this part. So we are going to build a square. And looking at this, so we have the center here. So from here to here, the center is 25. So which means that for us to get this off, so we have to, this should be what? From here up, it should be what? It should be 10. It should be 10. So that means the radius of this arc is 10 millimeters. Radius of this arc is 10 millimeters. Okay, so that's what we have there. The radius of this arc is 10 millimeters. That's what we have. So if the total height is 35, okay, so then, so distance from here to here will be 10. So 10 plus 25 is 35. That is what we have there. So, all right, so the first thing that we are going to do is to, so we are going to have what? We are going to click on line, and then we are going to, okay, so we switch to isoplane left. All right, so it goes up like this. So by 20, so first of all, take it as 20, so plus 15 of the thickness of this, that will make it 35. So we have 20. Okay, so we go this way. So we also have what? We have, so we are going to make it 10. So we have 10. Then come down by what? By 20. So by 20. So we have this. All right, so this is what we have here. Okay. All right, so on this phase here, so I'm going to right click again. So repeat the line. So we go down by 10, and then we come to this side by 10. All right, so we have this. Then we are going to divide this into two equal parts. So if we take the line, so we have the midpoint here and the midpoint here. And then, so here we come down by 5. And then we go this way by 10. All right, so we have created an isometric square on this face now. So we repeat the line. So we have to join this point and this point together. Okay, so then we repeat the line. So this point and this point So we join them together so that we can produce the curve. So we come to arc, we select this particular, sorry, so that's not the one. So we select this particular arc, center, start, edge. So we select this and then, so this point, sorry, that's not the center. So we click on it again. Okay, so we take this as the center. So this is start, and then we end it here. So we have this, and then so we click on it again. So we take this point as the start, as the center. So this is start, and then so we end it here. So we have that particular point then. Okay. So now, so the next thing that we are going to do, looking at what we have here. So looking at what we have here, okay. So we also have the curve here, and we said the diameter of that curve, which goes with this, is 20. Okay. So distance from here to here now. So from here to here. Oh, I'm looking at what we have here. Will this one be 10? This cannot be 10. So this can't be 10. So this radius should be around 20. If this is what? If diameter of this is 20, so this should be around 20, should be 20, not 10. Should be 20, not 10. So I'm going to take this off. So I'm going to create a square. I'm going to, okay, so this should be 20. So here we have 20. Then we go in this direction by 20. And we come down by 20 again. All right, so then, so we repeat the line. So we take it from here to here. Okay. Then we take the midpoint, repeat the line. So the midpoint here. So 20. Okay. So then we repeat the line. So this point. So we join it together with this point. Then, so we take the arc. So this is the center, and this is start, and we end it here. Okay. So we click on the arc again. So we take this point at the center. So this is the start, and we end it here. So that's what we have there. So at this point now, at this point that we have here now, so if you look at the length from here to here, it is 30. So we have taken 20 from here to here. Then the rest is 10. Then we are going to create a square here of length 10. So this is what I mean. Okay, so I'll just extend this line. Okay, so I will lengthen it and it goes by 10. So this is 10. Okay, so we have it like that. So we deselect it, then we click on line and we bring it down by what? By 10. Okay. All right, so then we repeat the line. So we are going to join this point together with this point. Okay, then repeat the line. So this will join in with this point. So that is 10. Okay, so that has formed an isometric square. So then we are going to draw a line from here. Okay, so I'll just go from here, go in by 5, and then come down by what? By 10. Okay, so we have this. So the next is that we Okay, so here we are going to repeat the line. Then we are going to join this point together with this point. So we don't have any curve around here. So I don't need it. So all I have to do now is to click on arc. Then I will take this point at the center. Then this is the start. And then we end it here on this line. Okay. So that is what we have here. All right, so with what I've done here, I'm going to delete some lines. So I'll just trim. So I'm going to trim this line. Okay, so trim this off. So I want to be very careful with this. So I'm going to trim this line. Okay, so this goes. Okay, so I will trim this off. Okay. All right. So okay. So I will remove this one, and then I remove this. I will still leave this one. So just let me leave this. So because we also with the thickness, we have to get the thickness. So we have to get the thickness of this. So what I will do is so I'm going to copy. So we copy this, including this. Okay, so I'll pick it from here and I'll drop it here. Okay, so then, so with what we have here, so I'm going to, so we also have the same thing on both sides. We have the same thing on this side. So what I will do now, that I want to create a circle on this face here. So I'm going to extend this line. So I'll extend it towards this side a bit. Okay, so then I can create the circle on this face now. So let's quickly do that. So we are not doing the diameter of this circle, but I will take it as what? As 10, so which radius is 5. So what I will do is to click on line. So coming to this point here, then I will go up by 5. So going to this side by 5. I'm coming down by 10. So this side, 10. Then taking it up by 10. And then, so to this side, so drop it here. Okay, so then I will repeat the line. So this point to this point here. And then, so again, so repeat the line. So this point to this point here. Okay, so then the next thing that we're going to do is to click on arc. So let's see this face very well. So this is the center, and this is the start, and then we end it at this point. Okay, so we click on it again. So this is the center. So then we start here, and then so we end it here. Then we click on the arc again. So this point. So this is the start, and here we end it here. So we take it again. So from this point, center, and this is the start, and then we end it here. All right, so we have the circle in place. So what I'm going to do now is that, so I'm going to copy everything here, okay? Okay, I will take it one by one. So I'm going to copy. Okay, before that, so I need to take a line. So then going from here by 10, then okay. So I need to switch to isoplane top because I want to build that part on the top part. So from here, So going in by 10, then I'll move like this. Okay. So that is 30. I'll just go by 30. All right, so I just chop it to leave it like that. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy these parts. Okay. First of all, copy this part here. Okay. So including this and this, then right click. So I'll come to this point here. I pick it. So I bring it here. Okay, so that's what I need. All right, so then okay. So I don't need this line. Okay, and I don't need this line. And then I will trim this one. Okay, so that's what we have there. So again, so I'm going to copy this part now. So I'll click on copy, then I will select the whole of this. Okay, so including these parts. So right click, and then I'm going to pick it here and I bring it to this point. Okay, so that's it. So hiding, I will copy it again. Okay. So there are some things that I didn't. Okay, so I believe we are getting it. All right, so I want to make sure I copy everything here. Okay. I'll do it again. So we go this way. So select this. All right, so I can, okay, I see that I've selected all that I need. So right click, then we are going to pick it at this point. So pick it here and we drop it here. All right, so that's what we have. So what I need to do now, so I'm going to select some lines. So these lines, I'm going to remove them. Okay, so I will erase them. So, all right, so then, so this line, so remove it, okay, and then these lines, so erase them, and then for this one, I'll just trim, and then I need to remove these lines. So including this, and then this also. All right, so that's what we have there. So what I need to do now to complete that is to take a line here, and then, so I'll join this point. So together with this point, and again, so I need to trim this off. Okay, so we have that there. All right, so other things that we have here, I still need to do some things here. So just on this line, so I will still do that. Okay, so other things that we have here, so is on this part. So I need to remove this line. So this line, so I remove this line. Then, so I remove these lines here. Okay, so this line and this line. Okay, so I need to trim some lines. So like this line, so trim it. Okay, all right, so we trim this. All right, so we have this. So then, um, so what else? I'll do that. So we need to take a line from this point here. So we have that. All right, so you can see that the object is out already. So it takes time. Okay, so that's how. So then we need to have a line like this around this part. So let's quickly do that. So so I just take a line from here. I drop it here. Then I'm going to trim this. Okay. Then I will remove this. All right. So um, here we have the objects. So this is how it looks, as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice, and when you practice this, you become a master. So thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.